What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the AI video and also AI image very fast and also only in one place. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Grok AI, or you can simply visit it grok.com, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And which tool that we will use over here, basically you can click this create image tool, or you can also click this section imagine, and over here you will see a lot of creations from another user of Grok, and also you'll see a lot of video. When I click this, you will see that this picture or this video can be also turned into the picture. For example, I will click this one, and this will be the picture version, and this is the video version. And how to create this picture to become a video, so you simply click this make a video, and after that this Grok will help you to transform this picture into the video. And the video usually has the length which is 5 seconds video, guys. And for example, you can also create it from scratch, and I will make the video, let's say, about some people who are sitting in the opera and they giving the applauses. And you can also create it from this imagine, and you can also adjust this setting, make it into the video or the image. If you would like to create the video, you can also choose the aspect ratio too, don't worry. And you can put the prompt into this section, and this will be the simple request or prompt, and you can continue to generate it. And after that, it will direct you into this section, and voila, this is the example of the video. Like this. And if you scroll down, you will find a lot of image too in the same theme of the people who are sitting in the opera and also giving the applauses. For example, I will click this one, and this picture has not been transformed into the video. How to create the video? So you can click this make a video, and kindly wait for the process. And if you would like to download this picture, you can simply click download, and you can simply click this save image as the regular way to download the picture and save. And after that, this picture will be officially saved into your device. And the process to turn this picture into the video, maybe it will consume 1 minute, depends on the connection you have to. And let's watch. And if I would like to download this video, you can also simply click download, and after that this video will officially saved into your device like this. Isn't that cool, right? So you can use this Grok only in one place to create the picture and also the video at the same time and in the one place. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.